particular show is the first show for 12 years where we've had the property market starting to come down. There's a different kind of energy. Whilst a lot of investors are scared, they don't know what to do, actually, those of us who are in the know recognise this could be a really good time to be snapping up lots of great property deals at a much better price than maybe they were available last year or the year before.
We've had a great day. We've come back after a number of years and everyone we've spoken to seems to know what they're talking about. They ask the right questions. Many of them have already got property portfolios and are looking to expand.
We come back every single year. We find it an amazing opportunity to speak to new potential clients and property investors, but also we see a lot of our existing clients here as well, so it's lovely to catch up with them. So the reason this show is really special is that it really encompasses all aspects of property investing.
I've been to multiple different exhibitions over the previous 18 months, and this has definitely been the one that we've had the best outcome. We're getting a lot more emails, a lot more leads than we've ever had before, and a lot more interested buyers. I think what makes it so unique, generally speaking, is that it's just organised so well.
The quality of the speakers are unbelievable. We've got people that have been in the industry for over 20 years and teaching different strategy of things that people can really do.
It's actually the third time that we've been here. We have a good traffic. We're happy to be here. We love this show.
There's so many people, so many different areas of property that are showing today. Landlords, people talking about tax, got talking about investments abroad, overseas, local developments, people helping courses. It's just a vast amount of people in one place.
We can sit down and have conversations, a mixture of different nationalities, different people who are really quite interested in what they could do with their money. So it's been a good show for us.
I had some specific reasons that I wanted to get to. It's been very interesting. You go away with more than what you had.
I did a talk yesterday. They're all really eager to learn about the auction world. And then afterwards we had a fantastic Q&A where some really incisive questions came out.
From an exhibitor's point of view, I think if you're not here, you're missing out. If you're in the property development industry, this is a great place to be. Having a presence here, over time, building that presence, coming back year after year, I think your business will grow significantly from it.